Hello, this is Magdalene ma'am. Hello my dear students. I'm so happy to meet you all in this video, and I hope you will be safer there in your houses with your parents, neighbors and relatives. And I hope these days will be boring for you, because I hope you'll be so happy in the college days than in staying at home. I know very well about your mindset, and so I hope and I pray to God for your health and for your parents also. With this positive vibes, let us start this session. Let me start with the topic bar chart. And the question that I have selected for the today's video demo session is television and computer sales in countries per 1000 people. You are taking two axes of the graph, the chart. So in the x-axis you are having all the countries, and in the y-axis you are having 1000 people. Okay, now so one mark, that is the blue bar, is for television, and the red bar, the orange bar and the brick color bar is for computer. And with this we are going to see some data they have given here, and using the data you are going to frame sentences and you are making a paragraph out of this. And all the paragraphs that you can make 3 paragraphs, 2 paragraphs, as you wish, and you can write as many sentences as you can using certain tricky methods. That tricky methods I am going to teach you right now. So here the topic is television and computer sales in countries per 1000 people. So now if you take USA, and I hope 750 people are watching or using television. Okay, and if you say for PCs, how many members are interested to buy that? 580. Okay, and if you take France, 580 people are interested to buy television, and remaining, if you compare that bar with the next bar, this bar is somewhat lower. Okay, if you look at the bar, only 400 people are interested to buy that. And if you take India, and both, that are the sales of television and computer, are more or less the same. It's equivalent and similar. And if you take the next one, UK, and for the first one, that is television buyers are more than the computer buyers. And if you take South Korea, it's entirely different. People are very much interested in purchasing PCs than purchasing television. Then if you take Saudi Arabia, people are very much interested or not interested, that I don't know, but the number is very low when you compare the previous bars. And Philippines, it's too bad. See, look at the size of the bar, it's so small, it is not reaching even 100, it is going below 100, and so people are not interested, or they are poor at the back, I don't know. So probably this is the chart we are having. Using this we are going to see USA television buyers 750, computer buyers 580. France television buyers 580, computer buyers 400. And India, T and C, that is television and computers, both are same and equivalent, as I said in the beginning, 580. Next UK, they purchase television more than computers. And then South Korea, television they buy only 300, but computers they buy more. Next, for Saudi Arabia, they are interested to buy television and they are less interested to buy computers. Next, Philippines, if you take, I think this is the lowest number of people purchasing TVs and computers. So when you compare the chart, I give the comparison of chart: USA, India, France, UK, South Korea, Saudi Arabia, Philippines. And I've taken USA and India. 580 people are interested to buy. What is this statement about? It is about computer. Okay, computer purchasing we are taking first. And so which is standing highest and first? USA and India. Then if you take France, UK and South Korea, they are less interested to buy, and remaining I think it's a meager count of people buying computers. So highest users USA and India, the lowest users Philippines. And next one is USA. USA, when you take, see, USA comparison of chart, and if you take television, highest users USA people, then France, and then Indians, and then UK, and South Korea, Saudi Arabia, and Philippines. So certain words I have utilized here. See, users, instead of users you can use use for the verb and utilize for the verb, and sales, for that word instead you can select sell and buy, and you can use these as verbs to frame the sentence. And consumers, you can use the verb as consume. Okay, then users, those who are not interested, all age group people, this is for the next chart, but the words you can use. See, we are interested to use. Okay, and you can write used and utilized. Okay, these are the words you can use for the sentence making. Okay, right. So now I am going to show you how I am going to write for the statement. See, first when you take this, so how are we going to write? See, now I have taken the first one. Okay, so I compare USA in both angles, that is I take television as well as I take computer. So how many television buyers are there? 750. So you can write here the given bar chart shows the sales of television and computer systems in different countries. Okay, first one you can take US. So 750 people used, or you can write bought television in USA. Okay, and then you can write, so 580 for computer. So you can write here 580 people used or bought television. This is not for television, this is for computers in USA. This is for the first statement. Remaining, the same sentence structure you can use and you can write the remaining sentences. Then for France, how will you write? So 580 people were interested to buy televisions in France. Next you can say how many members are interested? 400 people. 400 people are interested to buy computers in France. And next, India, you can make a sentence like Indians were interested to buy computers and televisions. So you can say 580 people were interested to buy both televisions and computers. Okay, next UK, you can say, so 580 people were interested to buy televisions and 400 people are interested to buy computers. Like this you can frame the remaining sentences, and next you can do is comparison. So highest users, when you take computer, so you can say the highest users of computers were in USA and India. So the lowest users of computers were in Philippines. So you can frame sentences like this, and here also using the same idea you can write it for the next one. That is, the next one is for television. That also you can try, students. I hope you can use all these ideas and you can frame sentences on your own, students, and you can use this methodology, and I'll give you a quiz question. You try to follow that and you do that as assignment and submit it to me, and I hope you can understand so well about this video session. It's a demo video session. You can practice on your own with some other question. Okay, my dear students, it's time to leave. Thank you for your cooperation. Please listen and send me the report. Thank you, my dear students, and bye.